Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tripura's World in Germany. Today I'll show you how to make lasagna Indian style. My friend is here from Stuttgart. He will show you the recipe of lasagna. Whenever we meet, I make sure that he makes lasagna because he does it very well, perfect way. This is one of the kids' favorite food. It's full of cheese and vegetables and meat. You can make, if you are vegetarian, you can make only vegetarian version, and if you are non-vegetarian, you can make both. It is like layered. You can see how the layers are here, and it's very easy to make. The ingredients all are available in supermarket. So let's start. For making lasagna, we are using this lasagna sheets, which looks like this, which is made up of pasta material. And we need smart, we need tomato sauce. This is chicken with vegetables, so we are taking chicken minced meat, which is chicken keema. And now the vegetables part, we are taking zucchini, broccoli, mushrooms, paprika, capsicum. And for the cheese, we are taking Gouda cheese and cheddar cheese, which gives colorful look. And we are taking, for the spice, we are taking pepper, oregano, chili powder and garlic powder. So let's start the process. So Rajesh, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Already I am cooking some vegetables. Normally you can also cook make lasagna without cooking. You can also use the raw vegetables. But I prefer to cook some, zucchini, for example, or paprika. At least you should cook half cooked,
Okay.
so that with salt and all. So which I prefer to do it in lasagna.
So it's more of an Indian way.
It's more of an Indian way, of course. And also normally you are not using chili powder and all, but I normally use chili powder to get more spicy flavor also.
Yeah, Indians always need spicy flavor.
Exactly.
So for me, I need more spicy.
Yeah, let us make with a little bit, average spicy so that the children can also eat.
Okay,
so what I am doing today is for 6 people today. Yeah, so that's why I used 3 paprika, 2 zucchini, and 2 or 3 broccoli we can use, and 2 bottles of mushrooms.
Okay.
Yeah, then we will cook it first, then later we can add the other ingredients and all.
Okay.
So in the meantime we can also fry this chicken also a little bit, that so that we will get a crispy feeling inside the lasagna.
Yeah.
Same way you can also put one without this.
So you say that proper lasagna will be non-cooked chicken? They use non.
Depends upon what Sometimes they use, if you are putting it long time in the oven. So maybe it's not.
Okay, so the baked chicken, they eat baked. Okay.
And here also I like to put some olive oil.
Okay.
Then we can also fry that in the olive oil with pepper and chili powder and some garlic powder.
Okay. So I brought this chicken minced meat. It is available only in Lidl.
So now I am putting some chili powder, as you can see.
Okay.
And also I put some pepper powder and garlic powder and salt. Then we will fry it.
Okay.
Once it is fried, we can keep it also on the side.
Okay.
Now we already cooked the vegetable and I drained the water. So now I am adding this smashed tomato, which is with the Italian flavor, with the Italian crota, means Italian spices. You can also add normal tomato, smashed tomatoes, but you have to add then more Italian spices. So here already included in that. So which you can put it into the both vegetable and the meat also. Then you can mix it.
So this sauce makes us easy.
Yeah, which makes easy and which is more Italian flavor you will get it also.
Okay.
So once both tomatoes are boiled, you can taste it little bit and try whether the flavor is there, or in case if you are missing something, for example salt or pepper, you can also add little bit pepper more. So because we need more spicy, we are adding some more pepper in that. And also I'm also adding some oregano, which I like very much in the Italian dishes.
Yeah, it gives nice
Very
flavor,
nice
right?
flavor. So I am adding a little bit oregano more. It's already in the tomato thing, but I am still adding it. Yeah. Chili I already in the it's there already, so it's fine. Salt is also enough there.
Okay. It seems good, Rajesh.
Thank you. Both sauces are ready. Now we are going to put all the ingredients, all the things together into the lasagna platter. So what we do is first take a
Baking tray.
baking tray, yes, yeah. Then actually you can also put some butter down so that it won't be sticky later at the bottom. So you put butter, just spread around. The sides also, so that it won't be sticking.
Okay. So you're greasing with butter.
Yeah. Butter or oil or whatever possible, you can just put. So then take this lasagna platter, put it as a layer first down. Yeah. So now the vegetable is one layer is there. Then you put once again the lasagna sheet on the top of that. And yeah, some some trays are different height levels. So according to that you have to think how many layers you want. But
Okay.
here this one is higher, so we can think of also more layers.
So the thickness, based on the thickness of the tray, you have
can-
to decide how many layers you
Yeah,
want.
exactly.
Usually, if we go to restaurant and have lasagna, it is the thick one, right?
The thicker ones, yeah. They are also actually, they will serve in a tray actually, in a small tray.
Okay,
so they are making it in that tray and serve it, and you can cut it from the tray itself you can eat.
Okay.
So now this other layer of the chicken layer is coming on the top of the lasagna. Looks yummy.
Yeah, this one really red color.
Yeah.
I think last time when we met, we made only vegetable lasagna.
Exactly,
right?
because we have also some vegetarians with us, so
Okay.
I prefer also vegetarian lasagna.
Yeah, that is also tasty. So this is the first time I'm thinking I'm eating chicken lasagna by Rajesh.
So the chicken layer ready. We can also mix it together and do it as a layer also. Maybe we can try the next level like that.
Okay.
So that it's a different layers. So now comes again the lasagna sheets.
I think we need to preheat our back oven, right?
Yeah, you can also preheat. That's better. Then it will later once it Once it's ready, we can put it right away. And it's neat. So now the third layer, maybe we, like I said, we can mix it with vegetable.
Okay.
And for example, vegetable you put it on a side like this. Then you can also put the meat next to it.
This also looks good, Rajesh.
So you have the combination of both. Of course, it's once you cut it, you have everything in that. So now comes the vegetable. This will be a really thick layer. This is the maximum I would also prefer, because then it's easy to cut it and eat, and all that. It's heavy also. So now we can also, now that layers are ready, so now we will put this schmand on the top. This will give a more nice creamy feeling on the top. You just have to spread it exactly like this, so that it reaches on the top. Now the cream, I put it as a layer on the top, that you can see. Normally in Italian lasagna, people make the self sauce.
Oh, okay.
They make the self sauce, the cream, I mean. So which will be more Italian taste. But since we have the schmand is available here, so we are putting it schmand as a cream there. So now the interesting part, which I really like the taste, is the queso. The cheese is coming on the top as a layer, so which will give extra nice taste on the top. Yeah. So we will spread.
Kids love cheese.
Not only kids, adults also.
Yeah.
I'm putting more cheese now because I like it also, and of course I think you also like it.
Yeah, I also love cheese.
Yeah.
What is your favorite cheese, Rajesh? Cheddar or Gouda?
I like the white Gouda cheese.
I like cheddar more.
Yeah.
When I do sandwiches, I prefer
Okay.
cheddar
For sandwiches, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Normally 20 to 30 minutes. It's already, most of the things are cooked. So 20 to 30 minutes according to the oven, and you can adjust the heat also. So once it's ready means once the cheese is getting a nice, the color changes, and where the
Oh, it should be golden.
golden color on the top.
Okay.
Then you can see that whether it is ready, then you can take it out also.
So our lasagna is ready. This goes to baking. My baking is preheated. So check our lasagna. It's been 15 minutes now. It seems good. Wow. Be careful while taking out.
So now we took it out from the oven, and let us see. It looks, you can see the color of the cheese now. It's brownish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks good.
It looks good, yeah. So then I will cut it and we will see how it worked out. We will cut it like a cake now.
If Shravan is here, he will tell like, happy birthday to you.
You can see the layers here. So like that you can make it into pieces and according to the size. Then you can put in the plate and have it and enjoy the lasagna.
Yes, we all will enjoy.
Hope this will be also tasting also.
Hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get all regular notifications. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.